Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to create a named access control list, named standard access control list in Cisco Packet Tracer. So here is our scenario. There are two routers, and we have router 0 with two local area networks, 192.168.40.0, another one is 192.168.50.0, and this router 1 has a local area network where two devices are connected. One is a server 192.168.60.3, another one is 192.168.60.2. now what I don't want this PC0, which has the IP 192.168.40.2 to access this PC5, and I also don't want this any device from this network to access any device in this network. Okay, so what I don't want this PC0 and any device from this network to access any device in this network. Okay, and for that I'm going to create an access control list, a standard one, because there is no specific protocol that I don't want to block or something like that. I just want these devices from accessing that network altogether. So I'm going to create an access control list, standard access control list in this router. Enable, then config terminal, then I'm going to issue the command IP access list, and then ACL underscore standard. Okay, I need to specify standard, then ACL underscore standard underscore 1. Okay, now I'm going to specify the rules. So deny host 192.168.40.2. this is one rule. Another rule, let's say 30, deny 192.168.50.0. then I need to provide the wildcard bits 0.0.0.255. this is another rule, and the last rule is I'm going to permit everything else. So permit any. Okay, so this is done. Let's go to privilege mode and check show IP access lists. So this is my access list. Now I need to implement this access list in an interface of the router. So here I'm going to implement this access list in this interface of the router, serial interface 2/0. So the direction of traffic will be inward. So any inward traffic that is coming from this PC or from this network will be checked and be acted upon accordingly. So let's go back to the config mode and choose the interface serial interface 2/0. now I'm going to say IP access group, and then I need to provide the ACL name. Okay, inward. Okay, so this is done. Now let's check. First I'm going to check from here. So ping 60.2. so it can ping 60.2. let's try out the web server website 60.3. so it can access everything. Now let's check from here. It is saying destination host unreachable, so it is blocked. Let's check from here. Destination host unreachable. So we have successfully blocked these devices from accessing any device in this network. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.